government wants your money. Today, I will be sharing some ideas on how to pay less tax or no tax at all on cryptocurrency. Each country is different, so this is just an overview of what you might be able to do. I'm not a financial advisor, so if you want to find out more, dig deeper by going and seeing a cryptocurrency accountant. So, my first question to you is, what kind of investor are you? Are you one that pays their taxes? One that does not pay their taxes? One that aggressively avoids tax legally? Or one that uses offshore companies legally? The truth is, it's getting harder and harder not to pay tax on your cryptocurrency. Governments are targeting platforms such as Coinbase and trying to impose KYC, which means Know Your Customer rules. They say it is to prevent money laundering, but it is being seen as a way of tracking your activities and taxing you if you make a gain when you sell your crypto. So, how can you avoid paying tax on your cryptocurrency? Well, I'm not going to save the best for last. I'm going to tell you right now. Well, you have to find a country that does not tax cryptocurrency. One such country is El Salvador. You can party every night there and not pay any taxes on crypto. Here are a few more countries to look at as well. Stay to the end and I will tell you one country that will blow your mind. You cannot miss it. So let's go back to basics. You only pay capital gains tax if your crypto goes up and you cash it in. So if you do not cash it in, you pay no tax. Each country will have an allowance before you start paying tax. So find out what allowance you have in your country. But remember, you'll be taxed on all your portfolio. So if you have shares and other things, you'll be taxed on those at the same time. Some countries have a reduced rate of tax if you hold on to your crypto for more than 1 year. So check that out as well. Another way of reducing your capital gains tax is by gifting someone from your crypto to family members. Check the amount you can gift for free and what the limitations are on a yearly basis. The same applies to giving donations in crypto to organizations or people. You can also set up a self-IRA, that's an individual retirement account, and that will either defer the payment of taxes when you retire, or you'll end up paying little or no tax. Most probably you'll pay some income tax. You can also set up a registered company or trust fund and pay income from your crypto account to yourself. I would get legal advice on that one. You can also create an offshore life insurance policy so that on your death, crypto will be distributed to all your descendants tax-free. The only provision with this offshore license insurance policy is that you need a minimum of $1 to $2 million to set it up, so it's for the hardcore Bitcoin investors. There are some questionable ways of saving on tax, like buying stable coins or loaning money against crypto, but I would be very careful with those. Again, you might need to seek professional help or advice, because the governments have a way of tracking your crypto, and whereas they may not be ready now to take your taxes, they may come knocking on your door later with some backdated payments which might have to be made. So lastly, which is the country which offers you a friendly tax system? Well, believe it or not, it's the USA, but it's only Puerto Rico. Any income earned in Puerto Rico is excluded from US taxes, but you must spend at least 183 days there. If you are someone who has made a lot of money and is really desperate not to pay much or any tax, you can renounce your country's citizenship and get a new passport from another country. The tax regime might still ask you for a leaving fee on exiting the country, but they won't be able to dictate how much tax you have to pay, if any. Lastly, I would like to give a quick shout out to MINDNIFICENT-MONEY and Mindset. who gave me the inspiration to make this video. Check their channel out. They do some great videos on business tips and investment tips, as well as how to avoid paying crypto tax legally. Subscribe to my channel if you can, and see you in the next video. Bye and good luck.